I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by establishing a clear baseline. Book a comprehensive eye exam now and confirm whether correction, cataract care, or medical therapy is needed. Once done, focus on targeted nutrition. Add lutein and zeaxanthin-rich greens, oily fish for omega-3, and vitamin D, because the retina needs specific building blocks to function. Make sure to implement the 20/20/20 rule and correct lighting immediately. These small steps reduce strain and prepare your eyes for the next active interventions. Now you move into the more involved work, vision therapy and targeted eye exercises. Spend 15-20 minutes daily on tracking and convergence drills to improve coordination. These exercises retrain neural pathways, so be consistent. Make sure to pair therapy with practical low-vision tools, magnifiers, contrast filters, and updated spectacles to boost functional sight while the brain adapts. Also address systemic health. Control blood pressure and blood sugar. Stop smoking and optimize weight because vascular health directly supports retina. To finish, set a maintenance plan. Schedule 3 6-month follow-ups, update optical correction, and track vision changes daily so you catch decline early. If vision does not improve, discuss surgical or procedural options, cataract removal, retinal injections, or laser, because timely intervention preserves sight. Make sure you follow medication and supplement regimens exactly, and if sudden loss, new floaters, or pain occur, seek emergency care immediately. If progress stalls, review adherence, systemic labs, and treatment intensity before changing course.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.